Hello, welcome to my blog. I'm here to share what happened after this gig. My camera, one of my baby camera got damaged after Baker Beach with salt water. I left the backpack and the sand just took over the backpack and wet the whole thing. So I'm gonna tell you how to fix it. So it's a regular DSLR. I think it worked for all big DSLR, even my 16 too. That's the main camera that I use to shoot. But I also care about my baby camera. So I'm gonna tell you how I do it. So everything's gonna be all raw, no cut scenes. So I'm gonna tell you directly how to do it. Alright, that's the camera right there. You see that? Alright, that's the main camera. So when you get home, before you get home, take the SD card, get the battery out. Do not play with it. Don't try to turn it back on. What happens is the shutter is gonna make noise. So you don't want that, right? So take everything out, come home, clean it. It's already wet already, so just clean it, right? Clean the whole thing for like probably 10 seconds. Clean it, wet it with a regular dryer, okay? And after that, alright, you need to use this after, but the main trick also is this: you leave the camera nicely. Take the lens out, it's up to you. Take it out, I think you should take the lens out too. And you dry it. Hair dryer, regular hair dryer. So, right here, all the buttons. And after you're done, you take the screws out. So, I got a screwdriver. So you take the bottom screws out. The reason why, because you want all the old wire to come out. You know what I'm saying? And plus you want to use the blow dryer to blow it. That's one of the tricks that people forget. Is that screwdriver trick. Take all the bottom out, blow it some more. You see that? It works pretty fine. Blow down, I have a little water in it. Pretty fast. You see that? It's pretty fast. So remember, this thing works, alright? But the trick also, the rice trick does work. So you buy a bucket and Asian rice. Dip the camera inside for probably 2 to 3 weeks, and after you're done, use this baby again. Alright, but this right here is important too. Just leave it there for 2 weeks. Alright, so, and then I'm gonna add the battery in. So I'm gonna ease it, and this camera should work. Alright, remember, you see how damaged it is from the salt water. I make sure to clean that part to show you guys. Alright, so, hey, it's on. Simple, huh? Very simple, you guys. Alright, remember that hair blower, screw, take it out, but then put the battery and put the screw back in. Very simple. Don't panic. When you get home, wash it right away. Wash it right away. Okay? Wash it right away. And dry it. Thank you.